Oh man. Oh my. What's about? Whoa. What's the bird gonna do? No way. That's how that happened? Hello everybody, this is Paramount DVD Fan 2004. Welcome back to another reaction video for the day. But today, I am going to be reacting to a video called Giant Water Balloon by Buttered Side Down. How many views does this have? 312 million views, 975,000 likes, and this was published on August 23rd, 2023. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is about Genshin Impact, I guess. Oh yeah, Genshin Impact has been popular lately, from late 2023 going all the way into 2025. Interesting. Alright, so anyways guys, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. And I will put a link to this video in the description below. And now let's get right into it. Here we go. Oh, we get a little sneak preview, huh? Oh, that's Genshin Impact right there. Fontaine. Oh, what's happening? What led to that? Oh. What? What is going on? Oh my goodness. Who's throwing water balloons? Oh, what's it? Oh, what's he doing? Oh, okay. Interesting. Oh, no, no. Oh, he ate the balloons? Ugh. Why? Do not try this at all. Why? Oh. Ugh. That was disgusting. Oh man. Was dang, he had a cat earlier. Oh wow. Oh no, 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 no. I can't. Stop putting that image in my head of him eating the balloons. Oh man. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The knot broke. No, it's not stopping. Oh, jeez. You couldn't get the screwdriver. Oh, dude. Yeah, try using that. Oh, that did not work. Oh, man, I'd run, dude. Whoa, it's going over the house. That's crazy. Oh, man. Dude, I wouldn't sit there. I would keep running. Holy moly, that thing's getting big. Yeah, get going, dude. Oh, man. Yeah, keep going. This lady. Oh, she just noticed the giant water balloon. Oh, you're going towards the dude. Go left, go left. Oh, man. Is it about to take up the entire city? Oh, man. Oh, that tire broke off his bike. Oh, man. Oh, my. What's about... Whoa. What's that bird gonna do? No way. That's how that happened? Dude. Well, that's the lady's coffee. Dude. That's crazy. Wow. Oh, man. Dude, you just drowned somebody. Oof. You probably hit his head on that. Oh, man, what? How do you want it back in his backyard? Oh, wow.
Big thanks to Genshin Impact for sponsoring this video.
Oh, he just hit a penguin.
RPG where 7 elemental powers reign. Whether on PC,
Oh, man.
PlayStation 4 or 5, enjoy incredible storytelling, immersive gameplay, and cross-platform exploration.
Oh, that's telling us about the game.
Version 4.0
Oh, he ain't a monkey.
a grand new map with multi-layered cityscapes, secret passages, and all-new groundbreaking underwater gameplay.
Wow.
Uncover the secrets of Fontaine's waters, meet intriguing new characters, and join time-limited events with exclusive banners. Quick access to
Interesting.
sure to a special teleport waypoint. Also, don't miss the Fontaine exhibition from August 19th to the 27th at Moonlight Studios in New York. Over 100
Oh,
design
wow.
replicas and more.
Oh, yeah, so that was,
Exhibition is available on August 28th.
that was a couple
Click the link in the
couple years ago.
for free. Explore the underwater world and be
Alright.
part of the Fontaine exhibition. Thanks again to Genshin Impact for including us in this magical watery journey.
Oh, yeah. Get launched. Wow, that was insane. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Wow. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the link to this in the description below. That was insane. So, if there are any other ones you like me to check out by Buttered Side Down, let me know in the comment section below. if you want me to see me react to more of these. So, anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. So, make sure that you click that like button and also subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.